Hi there. I would love for you to do me a huge favor. At the bottom of this message is a link to my YouTube channel. And there are a couple of different things that I would love if you could do for me to help with the algorithm and to get my videos out to as many people as possible. Here's what I'd like for you to do for me. One, if you could ensure that you are subscribed to the channel, that would be awesome. Secondly, go ahead and also turn on all notifications so that you never miss anything. Third, I put videos out in Premiere and you'll see it there where it says upcoming. If you can have the notifications turned on, then that will automatically send you notification that says, hey, these videos are about to start. I think they give you like a 24-hour and an hour time lead to say they're about to start. Also, if you could go ahead and watch the videos for me, please. Um, what I would really like for you to do, even if you don't sit and watch the video themselves the whole way through, just leave it in the background so it plays all the way without clicking through it or anything. The algorithm really picks up on that to see what interests people have in the entire video. So the more people I can get that will watch it all the way to the end, it just works much better. So if you could do that and just watch it all the way to the end, even if you have to leave it in the background and let it just stay there for a while, I would really appreciate that. A fourth thing would be interacting with the videos. So interacting with the videos would be to like, comment, and share. Like it, you just click the like button for you to like it. Comment, you can just go into the comment and you can put anything, awesome, great, didn't understand, whatever it is you put in there, it still works for some interaction with it. And if the video speaks to you or if you think it's going to speak to anybody else, if you could go ahead and share the video for me, I would really appreciate that as well. So just in case you don't know how to do some of these things that I just mentioned, I am going to now show you how to do this both on your computer and on an Android phone. If you're doing this via Android, I have my YouTube thing right here. So there are a couple of things that I would like for you to do. One, so go into subscription and see if I'm there. If I am not, you can scroll across. Okay, I hope you can see my little bubble right there, and it's just scrolling across. These are all the different channels that I'm subscribed to. If I'm there, you can just go ahead and you can tap on it. If I am not there, I'm gonna go home. But on here, see here right where it says Terry Cares for Health, I'm already subscribed, so that's why my bell is filled in. But if I tap the bell, this will come up. It will either have the bell with the cross going through it, which says that I've unsubscribed, or it will be a bell with nothing. Whichever one you have, it's best to put it to this one that says all. Make sure that the check mark is over on that side, right? So you tap on that one, and so that will give you all notifications. So I get all the notifications. Let me just do this while I'm here. Like this says premiere in 17 days. You can just tap on here and it says notify me, right? So those are the two things. One, subscribe and turn on all notifications so everything that comes up you'll see. Two, you can go in and just tap on the notify me for the videos. I do have a few videos in there that's coming up, and it will just notify you when they air. All right, now, how do you get in there? Once you're subscribed, then you would hit on subscription. You hit on the picture. In the picture, it will say view channel. So I just click on view channel. Then right here where it says subscribed, yours might say something different. You tap on the down arrow and then make sure that that's there. So this is another way to go in and ensure that you are inside my channel while you're doing your activity. In here, it shows you all the videos that have been listed. You can go on to videos right here, and this just says, hey, we're doing by the latest ones. So you can let the system notify you by tapping on any video that says upcoming. And then right there where it says notify me, you just put notify and it says, yep, a notification will be sent when it's about to start. Okay, and there you have it. All right, so let's say that you are on a website and you want to find mine. Let's go into YouTube. All right, we go into YouTube right here. I just put in YouTube in search. This is YouTube coming up. That's the YouTube extension. In YouTube, I'm going to type TERY cares for health, and then hit search, which is over here. Let's see what comes up. All right, that's that one. And number 2, that's me. All right, so I'm going to click in here and it says Terry Cares for Health. If you are not subscribed, you can hit subscribe right here. Now, because I'm on a browser that I haven't signed into, it's going to tell me that sign in to subscribe to the channel. So I'd have to sign in as, a particular person in order to do that. But you can just hit on subscribe right there, and then it will take you to somewhere that says notification and videos and all that. Okay, so that's the first thing. Go in and subscribe, please. Second thing is if you go to the videos on here, you can watch any of the videos, the latest videos that came out. So one of the things that I was asking you to do is let's just click on, let's see, so that's coming up. That's one right there. A couple of different things to do. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to pause that. So I just clicked inside the video to pause it, right? You can also subscribe from in here. Things that I would like for you to do is one, like the video. If I click like, it's going to tell me that I need to sign in because I'm not signed in, so it won't have me like it. You can also share from here. And if you scroll down right here where it says add a comment, you can click on there to add a comment. All right. So if you could like the video, share, and comment on the video, that would be good. And also to subscribe to the channel. So just let the video play in the background for, until it completes so that you can, the algorithm can say, yes, you actually watched it until the end. Today is the 11th. That looks like it's coming up tonight. So that says premiere at 2:11 at 7 p.m. Should be able to click on here. And then over on this side, it will say notify me. So this is going to be prepared in 5 hours. Right over here, it will say notify me. If you click on notify me, then it will send you a notification when this video is coming up. If you're on the computer watching it and you want to go through it this way, you know what to do. All right. Thank you very much.